Hey guys, so I keep telling you guys that you can get a client from anywhere, basically. So now I'm here to let you know, or just to encourage you, or just to let you know you can also try. I got a job from Problogger. This is the email I got from this client. By there, I wasn't even remembering when I applied for this job. It must been a long time ago. So last week I got this email. My name is Ginny. Thanks for applying for a freelance writer for parenting website on Problogger recently. Our interview process consists of 3 stages. Initial application, which I did, short interview on Google Meet, which I already did, a free writing test, which I already sent. We liked your application and feel that you have a good mix of qualifications and writing experience, and therefore like to invite you to a short interview on Google Meet. So blah 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 blah. Please let me know if any of these dates and timings will be convenient for you. So now this is the email that I got from Ginny, the client. I applied to a job on Problogger. This is Problogger, guys. Initially, you didn't even have to sign up on this platform. I think they have changed, but now when you come here and click jobs, when you go to problogger.com and click jobs, this is what you get. So these are all the available jobs. As usual, it is a good practice to always apply to the most recent jobs, because now those ones give you a higher chance of getting that client. So like this one, looking for fast, energetic writer to work on fun content. This one was posted yesterday on 8th. So yeah, you can apply on this one. Writers needed for parenting website. I should actually apply to this one, because other than health and fitness, one of the other area that I love writing about is parenting. I have 3 little ones, and parenting, writing in the parenting niche comes naturally for me. I even have a blog on the same, so I will actually come back and apply to this. So these are the jobs that are available on this platform at this point. When you want to apply, like I said, initially you will just come and click like on this job, and you'll just read the description, and then you would click apply. Like there was an apply button down here, but right now you have to register. You have to register first before you start applying to jobs. But anyway, it's not a long process. Just come here and click register. So candidate registration, register for your free candidate account. So I think they have changed, and they want you to have an account on this platform for easy to use candidate dashboard. Create your online resume, which is a good thing, I guess, because now you'll just be uploading. Be found by employers, which is also a good thing. It means you can an employer can get you without you having to apply to their job. Save and manage your job applications, which is also a good thing. Bookmark jobs you are interested in. Set up and manage your job alerts. So you'll come here and fill in your details, and it is a one-time thing. So once you have registered, you'll simply be coming here to log in and then be able to apply to those jobs. So fill it up, and yeah, so that was my experience. Like I said, I don't remember when I applied to this job, and I tell you guys, just apply to this job. Sometimes, by the way, it can even take a year and a client will get back to you. That is how freelancing is. But I'm not telling you to sit back and wait for that client who will contact you after a year. Of course, you need to continue applying to other platforms, to other jobs, and whoever comes first, of course, will keep you going as you wait for the rest. So that's it. I hope you have learned something. I hope you try applying to jobs on Problogger and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance and personal development. Please consider subscribing to this channel if you are interested in that kind of content. Guys, 82% of you are watching me and you haven't subscribed. Please, why? It doesn't cost you a thing, by the way. Just click the red button to subscribe. Also help me grow and also help me reach as many people as possible by liking the video and sharing me out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.